Next, we're going to talk about how to properly hold and throw a yo-yo, and I'm going to teach you your first trick, the gravity pull. When you hold a yo-yo, you want to put it in your dominant hand. Mine's my right hand. Some of you might be your left hand. You want to put it, the string goes around your middle finger, and it goes in between your two knuckles there, or in between knuckle and your fingernail, just like so. You want to hold the yo-yo in your hand, just like so. You want to make sure your palm's up, and when you throw, bring your arm all the way out, straight up like so. Take this part of your arm and bring this up right next to your ear. It's kind of like making a muscle. When you throw, you're going to bring your hand down, and this is where you release the yo-yo. The yo-yo shoots straight over the top of your fingers and will go down to the string. And you immediately turn your hand over and bounce it back up. The motion looks like this. That's the gravity pull.